Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste pie chart into Word document. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create the pie chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie charts option and select here the 2D5 first one, and you can see the pie chart is inserted. If you want to change the chart style, go to the chart design tab. In chart design, you can select here the different design and just click on it to apply the design. Okay. Now here I'm going to copy paste the chart into the Word document. Simply right click on the chart area. This is the chart area. When you keep cursor, see the chart area showing. Simply right click on it and click on the copy option and open the Word documents. And here right click again and click on the paste option. And that's it. Your pie chart is inserted. With this, you can see here the chart design tab and format tab also showing. Okay, you can use this formatting option here also. Okay, and the second way is simply I just delete the pie charts and again I go to the Excel sheet. And here the second way you can use the shortcut key Control C. Just click on the chart and press the Control C and go to the Word document and Control V. Okay, and just click on the chart and you can use here the chart design tab and format tab formatting your chart. Okay, so this is the way you can easily copy paste pie chart into the Word document. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.